You know, when good things happen to us, we want to do good back to others. So we thought this is a good opportunity for us to do the good to others because the good already happened to us.
That's right! So we're back!
With the very popular show, Build It
My Way! Yay! So it's still called Build It My Way, but it is slightly different because it is called
the Do Good series.
Why you sound so English?
Yeah, because it has to be proper and clear so people understand that we have the intention to do good for
Yes,
others.
yes. So we'll be working with amazing brands to do really nice things for people.
Amazing brands for amazing people.
To do little makeovers that they deserve. So stay tuned, stay close, and watch our show. Right?
Hope you guys have been enjoying the show. Do subscribe to the Beautiful Home channel because your subscription is our prescription. Peace.